Hello and welcome to the Screencast presentation. Today we'll be talking about advantages and disadvantages of international project management. Before we go into the detail, let's just try and spend some time to understand what international project or global project really means. John Binder, in his book Global Project Management, defines global project as a combination of virtual projects and international projects or even distributed projects. By that, he tries to mean project team members can be working across different organizations, different locations, or sometimes even different countries. When delivering a global project, project managers need to be aware of certain challenges and advantages that global projects being in order to be successful. What are those key concepts? Let's take a look. When we talk about challenges, the first thing that comes to our mind is complexity. It is of higher focus when it comes down to global projects because of the characteristics the global project brings. You're going to have to work across different countries, different cultures, different language barriers, different organizations, and last but not the least, different time zones. We've also been introduced to the concept of PESEL framework. We can use this to understand the challenges of the global projects because we look into different aspects like the political challenges, the economical or financial challenges, the social, technological, legal, and environmental challenges as well. Any of these can actually derail your outcome of your projects if you're not careful about your pre-analysis before you get into that project. Now, having said that, there are still advantages which far outweighs these challenges, and that's why you see companies involving in global projects more and more in this era of globalization. What are those key advantages? You get access to your global competence, people sitting in one part of the world still delivering projects in others. You get access to reduced labor costs coming from developing countries. You can also reduce your financial risk by expanding your revenue stream. In the market that you're operating now can get saturated, but if you have projects working in other countries, you must still continue to generate revenue. You can be more agile and innovative because you're bringing in different cultures and different experts from different countries, different organizations, which can add benefit to your competitiveness as a company. With that in mind, let's take a quick look at some of the resources that you as a project manager can look at, which can help your understanding of a global project or project in general. Agile Practice Guide, something that's been produced by PMI, standard for understanding the Agile concepts. More and more projects are being delivered in Agile globally. PM Network Magazine, which focuses on key individuals and projects, and then it showcases the lessons learned. Paradigm Shifts, similar magazine like PM Network, but with a local focus. This is produced by Australian Institute of Project Management. Projectified, something that I quite like. This is a weekly podcast being provided with experts commenting on project management topics or hot topics across the industry. Business Savvy Project Manager, a book that discusses about the business benefits of delivering a project and understanding those financials, and then making use of them in global and in local context. Now, let's take a look at some of the key individuals that are trendsetters in the current world of project management or international global projects. Christophe Duby, Executive Director of Olympic Games and a member of the International Olympic Committee. What better example of a project can be other than the Olympics, multiple countries coming together and then getting into an event? Marcus Rashford, an unusual choice. The Manchester United football star using his outreach to end child poverty in Britain, working with the UK government in this COVID-19 era. Dr. Tasneem Zara, using social network to and its benefits and tools to create awareness about misinformation on COVID vaccine and busting some of the myths about medical science. Mike Cannon-Briggs and Bori Ecom, technological individuals, one local and then a founder of Atlassian and working with the governments. Bori Ecom, the telecom giant CEO, Ericsson's CEO, and also a board member of Alibaba, working in World Economic as a speaker in World Economic Forum and then vocal advocate of net zero emissions. Now, all of these things in mind, let's try and understand the benefits of global project management and try and continue to deliver projects in a global